Good afternoon, everyone. I am Miss LaPrade, your English teacher this year. I am very excited to be able to spend this time with you this year. I'm looking very forward to meeting each one of you and having time to make sure that we interact really well together this year and go over material that I know you're not familiar with and some material that you may have heard of just in passing through the English canon and some of the literature that's in it, contained within it. We'll go through poetry, some prose, we'll go through some great essays and informational texts. We will go through Macbeth, which is a epic poem of it's the reason why it's called epic. There are some things in it that just will really enthrall you. And so just really excited for that and to get your viewpoints from each one of you and the different things that you may be able to connect with the text through your own life and experiences as well. So that's where learning happens, right? So, and to be able to write that and have that same kind of effect translate over into someone else reading your work. So this is going to be an exciting year. Remember, I'm going to treat you with the utmost respect. I expect that you will treat me the same. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited for you and to meet you. And I want to challenge you this year too to, as we get ready to begin, to set your own goal. What goal do you have for yourself? And what goal are you going to have for the class to take it to the next level because you're a part of it? So that's one of the things that I want you to think about as we get ready to prepare to meet next week. All right. So again, enjoy these last summer days, and I look forward to seeing you on our first day of school. Take care, and I'll see you soon. MC 10, back mobiles by the parking bus lot.